Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Sonic Rumble account. Deleting your Sonic Rumble account will permanently remove all game progress, characters and purchases associated with your account, so make sure you really want to delete it before proceeding. Once you're sure you would like to do that, launch open the Sonic Rumble game on your device and from the main home screen, tap on the menu button at the top right corner. From the expanded menu, click on Settings. From the Settings menu that appears on the screen, go ahead and scroll down and look for the Delete Account button. Tap on Open right next to Delete Account and then enter the Delete word in the text box on the next page. Make sure to write it down in bold letters and then click on the Request Deletion button. Now your game account has been successfully deleted. You can now easily delete your game from your device. So that is how you can easily delete your Sonic Rumble account in just a simple few steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.